And what's happening YouTube, it's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're looking at the M18 fuel blower by Milwaukee. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. So let's go ahead and test this out. Basically, this is the M18 fuel blower that has a power to clear from 15 feet. It gets full throttle in under 1 second, and it's up to 4 pounds lighter than competitors. It's designed to meet landscape maintenance professional needs. It has a brushless motor. It's called the Power State. And it has a red lithium high output XC 8.0 battery. It delivers up to 450 CFM and 120 miles per hour output. The blower features a variable speed trigger and high-low speed settings for increased control as well. The high setting is for the most demanding application like we're using right now. This is like powdered snow, a very thin layer, but it's still usable as you could see here. And the low is optimized for clearing debris like flower beds without moving the mulch. The lock on button allows the blower to be locked on to full throttle without you operating the trigger, so that it reduces and it relaxes your hand as well. And the M18 fuel blower is fully compatible with 200 plus solutions on the M18 system, so you can use your different batteries for this one. There's also a hook on the bottom here so you can hang it, and this black hose here on the front is actually removable. Now let's go ahead and show you how I started my driveway. It snowed pretty hard today, so I'm just able to clear it out, and as you can see here, it's doing a really good job. Again, I changed my battery once. Full battery, I ran through it. I was doing full throttle on bunny mode there. And then I used maybe 1 bar of the next battery, which is not bad at all. So as you could see, I'm able to clear out. At the end of it, well, you'll see that I'm able to clear out all my driveway, the walkways as well, even my front area walkway there. So it's really good. Definitely recommend it for everyone. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. So that's really it. Enjoy the rest of the video.